Okay, so for results and discussion of question 2, so in Point Pleasant Park, the dominant species in 2004 was the red spruce, and in 2023 it became the red maple. So the red spruce is a shade-tolerant species, meaning it grows best in shaded areas, whereas the red maple can grow best in direct sunlight when it's not exactly shaded. It's about a moderate shade tolerance species. So after Hurricane Juan, it was predicted that the red spruce would once again become the dominant species. But during the first step succession stage of Point Pleasant Park, where a lot of the canopy had been destroyed, and so a lot more sunlight was accessible to trees, the trees that grew best in sunlight and make up canopies the quickest, such as the red maple were dominating. And as the park furthers its succession over time and reaches its climax community, it is expected that the red spruce will once again become dominant because as more shade is produced by trees like the red maple and trees that make up the canopies, these will provide the optimal growth environment for red spruce as they are very shade tolerant. And the results from the regression analysis of the red spruce show a statistically significant positive change in growth. And the same can be said for the regression analysis of the red maple, as they both show a statistically significant positive change in growth. And then with these findings, we can reject both null hypotheses that there was not a significant change in growth of either species, and state that the density of both trees are growing at a significant rate, with the red maple growing at a faster rate currently than the red spruce, which is expected during this stage of succession for Point Pleasant Park.